Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, wherever you are. Today, we are going to finish off this POS checkout, and how we're going to do that today is you'll notice that when we do click yes complete, we close out of the pop-up, but we don't really do anything. So in this case, we can take advantage of our callback here and clear the current cart, all right, so that you know how the nature of checking out works. You basically take everything you've purchased, you go with it. That means it's no longer available here, so we clear the our grid views. Basically, that's what I mean. So we're going to be clearing this and this so that we get ready for the next person to give us their items so that we can check them out as well. All right, so here where we do our checkout, what we're going to do is we are going to create a function to clear our current card. So we're just going to say clear card. All right, and this one is actually going to be pretty simple. So clear card itself doesn't need to take anything because it's basically just doing self. The current card is equal to nothing, right? So what we're gonna need is define checkout callback. All right, and checkout callback here is going to take the POS view, right? So POS view in this case is the POS checkout model view. All right, so I guess we could just do POS checkout because that's the type of ad, right? And what it's going to do is it's just going to say self.clear cart for now. All right, so then in our when we open our checkout here, we're going to do pc.callback, and it's going to be self.checkout callback. All right, just thinking here, do we need to clear anything else? We probably want to update our all right, I wanted to update our totals, but I believe when we clear our current card, the totals are going to be updated automatically because we set it that way, right? As long as this thing is updated, it's also going to call clear totals. All right, I can't find it now, but all right, right there. The moment this is updated, it's going to update the totals automatically. All right, so this way we don't really have to do anything. Name POS. Yeah, I had a feeling Python wouldn't recognize that. So anyway, yeah, there we go. All right, so just gonna add a bunch of stuff in here. All right, there we go. So print receipt. If we cancel, nothing happens, which is good. If we do clear, however, everything is reset. So let's also reset this. All right, and this is the search. I believe it's search bar. Let's see if we can do that. Self.ids.search bar dot text is equal to nothing. Ooh, nothing, just like that. All right, let's see if that works. So adding a bunch of items in here. All right, there we go. Print receipt, yes, complete. And it's yeah, it's probably not search bar at all. Now what did we call it? Did we call it TI search? Ooh, oh yeah, we actually did call it TI search. So there we go. And now everything should go swimmingly. So all right, console, nothing does anything. Yes, complete. And boom, but ooh, we have a problem, and that is because the text was changed. Even if we were clearing the text, it actually was changed, which triggered this. So I wonder. All right, let's fix it. Let's go to widgets, widget, text fields. Let's go to search, search bar. All right, what we want to do is we basically want to do this, right? So what I'm gonna do is I am going to let's just do it down here, and I'm going to define this, and I'm going to say close drop downs, which doesn't really need to get anything, and it's just going to close the drop downs. So then in our POS in here where we clear our cart, we actually should definitely do that here, not in our clear cart. And then again here, after clearing the text, it's going to show our drop down, and what we want is to close drop downs. That's what we called it, yeah. Close drop downs right there. There we go. Let's try this. And all right, and yes, complete. So now it clears and also closes our drop downs. All right, so I believe at this point we have done everything in the POS screen. In the next one, we are going to start working on exciting stuff because we are now going to the admin dashboard. All right, so any questions regarding this one, as always, leave them in the comment section. I will answer them as fast as I can. Otherwise, as always, I'm Sam, and I will see you guys in the next one.